Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually change your avatar to a custom image. First of all, let us simply try from our PlayStation itself whether we can actually change to a custom image or not. So from your menu bar right over here, I will simply go to settings and then I will also select the option called account management and I will select account information on this page. As I select account information, you have to be patient and wait because this page is going to take a while to load. So simply be patient and wait. So as this page loads up, you can see this fourth option which says profile. I'm going to tap on profile, and if I go to the option called profile picture right on this page, you'll be able to see that it will ask us to actually do it from the app. So for example, you can see use the PlayStation app on a mobile device to upload a profile picture. But then if you actually want to only simply change the avatar, you can do so from the PlayStation itself. But then if you want to change our custom profile picture, we have to do it from the mobile. So I'm going to simply go ahead and open my mobile device right over here. The very first thing you want to do is you have to simply make sure to actually download this PlayStation app from your app store. So make sure you have downloaded it. In my case, I've already downloaded it. I'm going to tap on open and then log into your PSN account. Make sure you're logged in on your PlayStation account as well as on your mobile device as well. Now once you actually log into PSN, you can see this, you'll be taken to this interface. At the very top, you have to simply tap on a profile name as you can see. And you can see our current avatar. Let's say that I want to upload a custom image from my phone, I will simply tap on this button which says edit profile in this key-like icon. Now this is also going to take a while to load, so simply be patient and wait. So if it asks you to verify for a password, go ahead and simply enter your password first of all. So after entering your password, you will see that your option will somehow look like this. Over here at the third and fourth option, you have the option called profile picture and avatar. Since we are going to learn how to add a custom image, we are going to tap on the edit button right next to our profile picture option. So tap on edit and then tap on change picture. Over here you can simply select any of the options. I will select photo library in order to select a photo from my photo library. Let's say this one for example. I will simply tap on the choose button at the bottom right hand side of the screen. You could go ahead and also actually customize this, zoom in and zoom out as per your own wish. Once done, tap on the save button right over here and then tap on yes again. As you tap on yes and then you save your profile picture, it is going to take some while to actually apply the changes. Now I will simply tap on the OK button after our profile picture has been saved, and again we want to actually come back to our PS4. Now let me go ahead and also actually reload this. Now this time you can see it says use a picture you uploaded from the PlayStation app. You can see you want to make sure that it's selected to this, and at the very right hand side tap on the confirm button and then select it. Once you do that, you will have successfully changed the avatar to a custom image on PlayStation. Now let us also actually go to our home screen and see whether the changes has actually been applied or not. So as you can see right over here, our profile which we have already set to a custom image. So this is the way on how you could very easily change your avatar to a custom image on PS4. We hope this video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.